They've taken the lead here. Turnover. AJ Miranda.
Smart.
Lets Gonzalez fly by, and San Juan.
10-0 run. Right there, and the timely pass, obviously, by Fuentes opened up Banal on the weak side.
High off the glass, AJ Miranda.
What a beautiful finish that was. Off court.
At CEU, Wamara Nabundo. Miranda finally breaks the silence. Miranda to Malonzo. AJ Miranda for three. It's good.
Now, Coach Eric will accept that action. You create confusion. This was the first one. Little late on the closeout, but you were right there.
San Juan with 75 points. This is past the average being given up by Quezon. AJ Miranda